Photographs leaked to the Internet taken by the Cassiopeia probe on the so-called dark side of the Moon have stirred up considerable controversy among both astronomers and conspiracy theorists. The photos reveal a structure in the Schrödinger crater near the southern lunar polar region. Official sources have failed to provide an explanation for it. Scientists are baffled by the discovery, and numerous UFO and conspiracy researchers have interpreted it to prove the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence. The photographs in question are indistinct, due in part to the orbital distance of the probe and interference from ionized moon dust hanging in clouds above the crater floor, but a regular shape can be discerned in them, located slightly to the side of a circular crater approximately 1.5 kilometers in diameter, itself situated inside a larger, irregular depression. This is not the first time that regular objects have been visible on pictures taken in space. Indeed, parallels have already been drawn to the infamous face and pyramids found in the Cydonia region of Mars. Astronomers disagree, however, whether the lunar swastika is an actual structure or an optical illusion. Hindus, aliens or Nazis? The lunar discovery is especially intriguing thanks to its extraordinary shape. The anomaly is clearly shaped like the swastika, a symbol used, among others, by the National Socialists in the 1930s and 1940s, leading to numerous conclusions that the structure is attributable to Nazis who fled to the Moon after the Second World War. At the same time, in India, where the swastika is still in use as the symbol of prosperity, happiness and good luck, hundreds of thousands of Hindus have embarked on pilgrimages all over the country. The internationally famous UFO researcher Martin Krauss disagrees. It is a sign from Alpha Centaurians who brought life to Earth 4 million years ago, he said, which they left on the Moon to remind us of their visit. NASA weather balloon. In an official NASA announcement, NASA spokesperson Rosalind Villacorta stated that the alleged observations were due to a signal disturbance resulting from a weathered balloon aligned between the satellite Cassiopeia and the ground-side receiver. Weather balloons aren't known to mess with probe signals, she said in a press conference held at the Houston Space Center yesterday. It is a freak coincidence that the erroneous signal formed the swastika shape, known all over the world as a strongly controversial symbol. Nazis on the Moon already in 1945. The Romanian scientist Otto von Tomarvici, who has studied conspiracy theories for decades, disagrees. For over 70 years, it has been common knowledge that the Nazis had a research program overseen by Hans Kammler during the war, with the goal of conquest and control of orbital space, he says. It seems that Kammler, who mysteriously vanished shortly before the end of the war, and his team were successful. We're in trouble now, Tomarvici adds.